Tom here with Affordable Comfort Heating and Cooling with another frequently asked question: how often should I change my furnace filter? We recommend that you check your furnace filter monthly and replace it at a minimum every 3 months. If you have a washable filter or an electronic air cleaner, also known as an EAC, it's recommended that you clean it once a month. A dirty filter can cause premature breakdowns of your equipment, higher utility bills, and increase dust and allergens in your home. If you have any other questions you would like us to address, please put them in the comments below. We look forward to working with you soon. Take care.